Every vegetable we enjoy is a gift from the hard work of farmers and the innovation of agricultural engineers, ensuring we always have nutritious food on our plates. Today, we're diving into one of the most loved and widely consumed vegetables, carrots. Known for their bright orange color and sweet, earthy flavor, carrots are not only a delicious snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. They are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A, essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, carrots play a vital role in heart health, digestion, and even lowering the risk of certain cancers. Carrots are grown across the globe, making them a versatile and accessible crop for many farmers. They thrive in temperate climates, and their global demand continues to rise, not just for fresh produce, but also for processed and value-added products like juices, soups, and snacks. The largest producer of carrots by far is China, which dominates the market, followed by the USA, Russia, Ukraine, and Poland. These countries contribute significantly to the global supply, ensuring a steady availability throughout the year. Different regions have specific cultivation seasons based on their climate. For example, in warmer areas, carrots are planted in cooler months to avoid the heat, while in temperate regions, they can be grown in spring and fall. This diversity in growing conditions helps maintain a consistent global supply, ensuring that carrots are available year-round, whether fresh from the farm or in processed form. Carrots are not just a tasty addition to meals, but also a key ingredient in many diets, particularly for individuals focused on maintaining heart health or those managing conditions like diabetes. With their low calorie count and high nutritional value, carrots are a staple in kitchens worldwide, proving that this humble root vegetable is far more than just a salad topping. Planning for carrot farming. When planning for carrot farming, the first and most crucial step is deciding how much land to dedicate to production. Farmers must consider market demand, available resources, and their overall goals before they start planting. For small-scale farmers, the challenge is often to maximize yield on limited land. They can achieve this by using high-yield carrot varieties and adopting innovative farming methods that increase productivity without needing a large area. On the other hand, large-scale farming offers the advantage of bulk production, which is better suited for meeting the demands of larger markets or export. With more land and resources, large-scale farms can also benefit from mechanization, making the entire process from planting to harvesting more efficient. Farmers also need to select the right farming technique based on their land availability and resources. Traditional open-field farming is still a popular choice for those with enough land. It's less capital-intensive and can produce large quantities of carrots. However, it comes with its own set of risks, such as exposure to pests, unpredictable weather, and potential soil degradation over time. Farmers with smaller plots or those interested in cutting-edge techniques can turn to greenhouse or vertical farming. Greenhouse farming offers the benefit of controlled environments, allowing farmers to grow carrots year-round while keeping pests and extreme weather conditions at bay. This method is ideal for farmers who want to produce high-quality carrots consistently, regardless of outside weather conditions. For even more space-efficient farming, vertical farming is a great option. This innovative approach involves growing crops in stacked layers, using hydroponic systems to nourish plants without soil. Vertical farming is particularly useful for urban farmers or those who have very limited land. It uses less space and water while still producing healthy, high-quality crops. Both greenhouse and vertical farming techniques help farmers optimize their resources and produce crops efficiently, even with limited land. To ensure a successful carrot harvest, farmers must pay close attention to irrigation and soil conditions. Carrots grow best in well-drained, loamy soil that provides the right balance of nutrients and moisture. Irrigation is key, as carrots need consistent watering to avoid splitting or becoming stunted. Farmers are now turning to smart irrigation systems, which use technology to monitor soil moisture levels and automatically provide the right amount of water. This helps conserve water and ensures the carrots grow uniformly, producing higher yields and healthier crops. Agricultural machinery for carrot production. Carrot production has become more efficient and productive thanks to advancements in agricultural machinery, allowing farmers to cover more land while minimizing labor and improving crop quality. From sowing to harvesting, specialized machines have made every step of carrot farming more precise and automated. Sowing machines. The process starts with modern seed drills and precision planters, which are essential for sowing carrots. These machines ensure that carrot seeds are planted at the correct depth and spacing, which is crucial for achieving uniform growth. Precision planters use technology to place seeds with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and ensuring each seed has the best chance to thrive. This results in even rows of carrots, making it easier to maintain and harvest them later. Not only do these machines boost efficiency, but they also help farmers save time and reduce costs by minimizing the amount of seed used. Irrigation and fertilizer distributors. Water and nutrient management is critical for healthy carrot growth, and modern farming has evolved with smart solutions for this. Automated irrigation systems ensure that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time, conserving water and preventing over-irrigation. Smart irrigation systems, connected to the Internet of Things, IoT, monitor soil moisture and weather conditions in real time. This technology allows farmers to optimize water usage, ensuring that carrots grow evenly while conserving valuable resources. In addition, fertilizer spreaders play a vital role in distributing nutrients efficiently. These machines can be calibrated to deliver precise amounts of fertilizer, which helps promote healthy crop growth without waste. Smart sensors help distribute nutrients exactly where needed, ensuring that no area is over or under-fertilized, leading to better yields. Weed management machines. Weed control is another important aspect of carrot farming, as weeds can quickly overtake crops if not managed effectively. Traditional methods like hand weeding are labor-intensive, but modern technology has provided efficient solutions. Mechanical weeders are designed to remove weeds without harming the carrot plants, while herbicide sprayers apply chemicals in a targeted manner to control weeds. However, an exciting advancement in this area is the development of autonomous weeding machines. These machines use AI and sensors to identify and remove weeds precisely without damaging the carrots. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can also be deployed to scan fields for weed infestations and spray herbicides directly on target, reducing chemical usage and environmental impact. Harvesting machines. Once the carrots are ready for harvest, mechanized harvesters step in to handle the hard work. These machines are designed specifically for root crops like carrots, gently digging them out of the soil and lifting them to the surface. The carrots are then cleaned and sorted right in the field, ensuring minimal damage and maximum efficiency. Mechanized harvesters not only speed up the harvesting process, but also reduce the need for manual labor, which is crucial for large-scale farms. These advanced harvesters ensure that the carrots are handled with care, maintaining their quality while drastically reducing the time and labor required for harvesting. By using such machines, farmers can harvest more carrots in less time, improving productivity and profitability. Carrot factory processing. Once the carrots are harvested, they move on to the next phase of their journey, the processing plant. Here, the carrots undergo a series of steps that transform them from fresh produce into the packaged products we see on supermarket shelves. This part of the journey is crucial for ensuring that only the highest quality carrots reach consumers, and modern technology plays a key role in making this process efficient and hygienic. Initial sorting and cleaning. The first step at the processing plant is sorting. Carrots are sorted by size, shape, and overall quality using advanced optical sorting technology. These machines use cameras and sensors to quickly analyze each carrot, separating those that meet quality standards from those that don't. This ensures that only uniform, high-quality carrots move forward in the processing line. After sorting, the carrots are thoroughly cleaned using high-pressure washers or scrubbing machines to remove any dirt, soil, or debris from the fields. This step is essential for ensuring food safety and preparing the carrots for further processing. Peeling and cutting. Once cleaned, many carrots go through the peeling process. Advanced peeling machines are used to remove the skin while minimizing wastage, ensuring that as much of the carrot as possible is preserved. For organic carrots or baby carrots, some factories may skip the peeling step, as these products are often marketed with their skins intact. After peeling, the carrots are moved to cutting machines. These machines are designed to cut carrots into various shapes and sizes based on consumer demand. Carrots can be diced, sliced, or turned into baby carrots, and the machines perform these tasks with high precision. This ensures that the final products are consistent in size and ready for use in salads, snacks, or packaged food products. Packaging. Once the carrots are cut and shaped, they are ready for packaging. This step is largely automated, with robotic arms and conveyors taking over the task. The carrots are packaged in various forms, whether whole, diced, or sliced. Automated packaging machines ensure that the process is fast and efficient, with minimal human intervention. This automation is crucial for keeping up with high demand, while maintaining hygiene and quality. The use of robotics in packaging not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that each package is sealed correctly, maintaining the freshness and shelf life of the carrots. Whether for retail, restaurants, or food processing companies, the packaging step is critical for getting the carrots to their final destination in optimal condition. Quality control and distribution. Before the packaged carrots are shipped out, they must pass through rigorous quality control systems. Modern technology like X-ray scanners and infrared sensors is used to detect any foreign objects or imperfections that may have been missed earlier in the process. These systems ensure that only safe and high-quality carrots make it to the market. Finally, the processed and packaged carrots are sent off for distribution. From large retail stores to restaurants and food processing companies, these carrots reach consumers across the globe, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of forms. This final step in the carrot's journey showcases how technology and efficiency come together to bring fresh, healthy produce to people everywhere. The future of carrot production and processing. As we wrap up, the journey of carrot production and processing has been transformed by advanced technology, from the precision of modern farming machinery to the efficiency of factory automation. These innovations not only boost productivity, but also ensure a consistent supply of high-quality produce, contributing to global food security and sustainable farming practices. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about how technology will continue to shape agriculture. Have you seen any innovative farming technologies in your area? Let us know, and stay tuned for more insights on other crops' journeys from field to factory.